Woo woo woo, it's nature-oo.
Yeah, as I'm out and about looking at birds and listening to the Merlin app, it's always beautiful to explore and see what's out there, listen to the water. It's so natureful. I'm trying to find a little buddy that I haven't seen in a while. He's a chestnut-backed chickadee. I call him Onefoot. You may have seen a video with him or two. And I'm trying to see if I can find him. I haven't seen Onefoot since around April of this year. During the springtime. I don't know if they disappear or go north during the hot summer months, but I haven't seen Onefoot in a while. I've been using the Merlin app to try and detect different birds for months. I do see a lot of black-capped chickadees. Black-capped chickadees seem to be here all year round, but I haven't seen my little buddy, my chestnut-backed chickadee in a long time. So I'm hoping I'll see some of them. Maybe I'll see Onefoot, but it's always fun. I'm crossing my fingers as the weather changes and the temperature gets a lot cooler. Maybe he'll come back. So let's take a look and go out there and use that Merlin app and see what we can find. Oh. Hit the tripod. This little thing could take a beating. No damage. No damage. Oh, it's a hummingbird. Wow. And this hummingbird just flew right here to see things. Oh wow, that was amazing. Just hovered right here. Just took a look and disappeared. That was amazing. Amazing. Wow. Beautiful. This never happened. Maybe it heard the drone and it wanted to see what it was. That was incredible. Oh wow, I wish the camera was tilted that way. It just hovered right there. Now the Merlin app has changed a little bit since my video I did about how to use the Merlin Bird ID app. I'll place a description on that video below if you've never tried it, but I do recommend it. It's a wonderful app just to go out there, get some footage and listen to the birds and pick up what's near you. It's great fun. I do recommend it. There's that song sparrow on the rock behind me. Picked it up. Now, as we're trying to pick up some birds, what does wildlife mean to you? Do you like going out there? Do you like going exploring? Do you like visiting the animals? If you do, put a comment below. And if you do, which kind of animals do you like to visit? Do you like to visit the birds or the furry animals or something else? Okay, I'm still just picking up. There's a seagull. It's flying right above me. Hello. And it's right behind me now. And I picked up a black-capped chickadee. Most likely they could be in the trees or in the bushes, but let's see. Do I see any? Yep, they're definitely there. I just heard one. So they don't really come, I don't think, close to the rocks. I haven't seen any yet. It's too bad this app doesn't pick up other things other than birds. That'd be so much fun if it did. There's that seagull there. There's some dogs. I always like keeping a camera recording in the background, and it's picking up the background here because you never know what you'll get. Picked up a black-capped chickadee. I'm going to head over a little bit further down as things are recording. Let's see if there's anything to pick up here. There. Here's a viewing angle. There are the crows. That one's a little fuzzy one. I'm going to go back to the camera. Let's see if I can get those two on the big rock here. Alright, now I'm picking up those two that were on the big rock. There's a man there and a dog with a stick, so that's going to scare all the birds. Oh. Okay, let's see. Not wild animals, but hey, there's a dog and a stick. All right, just the 4 birds. Let's go back to the crow over here. Let's get this crow just walking around. So in total, I got 4 birds. I got song sparrow, black-capped chickadee, American crow, and a seagull. Alright, I am now starting the Merlin app, and let's see what kind of birds we hear in this area. So far, still listening, nothing picked up yet. All right, it's almost been a minute in, 50 seconds, and still hasn't heard anything. Now what I'm trying to hear is a chestnut-backed chickadee. Let's see if we can hear anything. Let's keep this rolling. Okay, still nothing. Even though, well, at least the DJI is doing a good job tracking me. Oh, we got an American crow and a yellow rump warbler. The warbler are in the trees here. Now why don't we continue down path and see what we get. And the goose down at the end there. Let's take a little bit of a walk to here at this point. Put this camera down. There. And let's see what I can pick up. Let's see where we're at with Merlin. So according to Merlin, oh yeah, I did see the northern flicker, black-capped chickadee. So we do have a black-capped chickadee, which I just saw, American robin, European starling, and this is the spot where I usually see Onefoot. So I'll be so excited if a chestnut-backed chickadee shows up on the list here, but we'll see what happens. I'll call Onefoot. Onefoot! Sometimes when I call Onefoot, I'll see some squirrels come by to say hello. Let me try again. Onefoot! No. I'll be so happy if he shows up, but he, she, we'll see. People probably turn around and see, what is that guy doing in the park? When I call it Onefoot. Onefoot! Onefoot! I usually see some spotted towhees here. I don't see any spotted towhees. It could be that it's just still not cold enough. Still green. Now I'm trying to see chestnut-back. Let's take a look. Still just see black-capped chickadee as the only chickadee. Onefoot! Come here, black-cap. I find the black-caps are a little more timid, a little shyer than the chestnut-back. There was a Canadian news story who somebody talked about that the chickadees are a godsend. I don't know if I'll get in trouble for inserting it in this video, but let me see if I can insert that clip, because they are amazing. Amazing little creatures.
The chickadees are a godsend, really. It's a whole relationship that, say, over 7 or 8 years has kind of been a really total support.
Hey, come over here. How you doing? Come here. Hi. How are you today? Come over here. Hello there. Hi, Chirpy. Oh, look at this. What a brave one you are. Come on by. Hello. You're so cute. Look at those eyes. What beautiful eyes you have. Hi. There we go. Still American robin, but no chestnut-back. Onefoot! Now, if you haven't seen my Onefoot video, I'll put a card. It should pop up right up there. Oh, here comes a couple of black caps. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, they're a little shy. Come on. Where are you? Come on. You coming up? You coming up? No? Put it here? Yeah, the chestnut-back are so social. They'll just come right by, fly in your hand, say hello, and then as those chestnut-back are coming in your hand, you see the black-caps get more comfortable and they start flying into your hand. But when they fly in your hand, they are quick. They don't want to spend any time with you. Just boom, in and out, boom, boom, boom. Not like the chestnut-back, especially Onefoot and friends. Let me take a look at that list again. I still see only a black-cap. Let me try calling Onefoot one more time and see. Onefoot! Nope, I see a black-cap in there. Did you hear the black-cap chickadee? That's there. I love that sound. Chickadee-dee-dee. Well, let's try one more spot. That Onefoot may hang out. Call one more time. Onefoot! Nope. Whoa. That was a black-cap. That was a robin. Okay, let's go. Let's go this way. Now when I used to walk through here, Onefoot would just follow me. There's a shot of Onefoot in the winter time where he leaped from this tree right here. This tree was very bare. There was snow on the ground and Onefoot flew right in my hand around this area here. It's so amazing. Where's Onefoot? Onefoot! Come on. Hi, baby. Bye, buddy. This is just a beautiful bamboo tree here. I did a video of what the roo's out there in this location. And there was a little hidden thing at the end of that video with this bamboo. And that was What the Roo, Volume 1. And just a beautiful, beautiful bunch of bamboo. Alright, let's try this last spot. Alright, now you see me. Kinda dark. Oh, how's that? Okay, let's see if I can call Onefoot. See if we have any luck today. Onefoot! Onefoot? I think it's just too early. That was Anna's hummingbird. I don't know if you heard the Anna's hummingbird. It was coming out of this location, this tree, right over here. I see a black squirrel back there. And you see, even the Merlin app, there's no chestnut-back. I'll probably have this on the screen. Oh, did pick up the Anna's hummingbird though. Okay. I think we'll give it another try. Maybe I'll get to see Onefoot in October. Let's see how much fun it is just to take a little roam in your local park. Launch that Merlin ID app. Just let it run in the background and hear all the birds that are out there. At the same time, you get a beautiful scenic view of wildlife and nature. Well, thanks for watching this episode. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun going out there and seeing what's there and exploring, looking at the water, finding some of the animals. Got to meet some new ones and old ones. Chestnut-backed chickadees are, I don't know, it's just very hard to find. Kind of sad. However, I'm crossing my fingers. As the new month turns and October approaches, I'm hoping I can see Onefoot then. And if I do, I'll catch that footage for you all to see. Thanks again for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. Again, thanks again. Roo-roo-roo, it's Nature-roo. Have a good one. Thank you.
Onefoot. Oh, where's Onefoot? Hey, is that you, buddy? Hi, buddy. Is that you, buddy? How you doing? How you doing, Onefoot? I got you some food, Onefoot. You hungry? You hungry, Onefoot? Yeah. Okay, Onefoot. Here. You like this one? Do you like that one? Hello there. There you are. Hey, buddy. Where'd you go? There's Onefoot. Hi, Onefoot. Go eat your snack. Go eat your snack. Look, you got lots there. Hey, buddy. There you are. There's Onefoot. I don't know how he found me.